Unfortunately, there are many cases that I see here in New Jersey where children simply refuse to see one of the parents. Sometimes that's a product of parent alienation. Sometimes it's a product of that parent doing bad things and the child just not wanting to be around the mother or the father. In those scenarios, if you are the parent who is paying child support and not seeing your children, you still need to pay your child support. There are some exceptional circumstances where you can apply to the court to have your child emancipated or to even have sanctions against the other parent if they are proven to be alienating the child from you. But you need a court order to stop paying your child support or to lower your child support. It is a bad idea in any circumstances to engage in measures of self-help and stop paying child support. Inevitably, it will work against you. You'll probably have to pay the other party's counsel fees, and quite frankly, it's not going to repair your relationship with your child either. So the simple answer to that question is yes, you have to pay child support until a court relieves you of your obligation. If you believe that you shouldn't be paying child support, or you believe that you are unfairly not seeing your child, please contact us here at Callagy Law. We deal with these issues every day. We will enforce your rights to see your children, and we will seek to modify, or even eliminate, in some circumstances, your child support obligation if the case warrants. So please call us if you have any of those issues.